You love it? I'm kind of feeling it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial all in one. So this is for Amazon wig. Yes, Amazon has all of us in a chokehold. I'll have the details and everything about it in the description box, and somewhere in the video I'll mention the seller and all of that, but this is how the hair looked finished. So it's a review on this hair and a tutorial on how to make a V-part wig, an actual no leave out V-part wig. I'm sick of seeing people doing V-part wigs and leaving a slither of hair out, but the description of the wig says no leave out. What? So today I'm going to show you how I actually did this with absolutely zero, zilch, not leave out. If you're interested in that, keep on watching. This wig that I'm going to try today is from a company called You Great Hair. They're Amazon sellers. So this is a 16-inch wig, and it came, of course, with some eyelashes and a stocking cap as well as the hair. First of all, this stocking cap is not my color, child. No. But let's get into this wig. This one has black lace completely down the middle. So I'm going to cut this out as close as possible to the edge of the hairline. It has 5 combs near the parting section, 2 right up front, in the middle, and 1 in the back. At the sides of the ear flaps, we have our combs, a comb in the back, and the elastic straps at the side for extra security. Now this wig is not the thickest, I will say that. I'm gonna just cut straight down the middle, then I can always go back and clean it up, because I really do not want to cut any of the hair out. So you can see how it looks. There's still a significant amount of lace on the edges that need to be cut off.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my soul.
This is the braiding pattern that I have.
Sorrow, faith is shaky and vibrato.
Looking like a bald eagle. So because these 2 braids are way too close together, I'm going to do a slightly off center part using this section. So I went ahead and washed my wig because I can't put on a wig out of the box. I just can't. Like, my entire soul says ew. So I had to wash it. So this is how it looks after it has been washed. Not as thin looking, definitely more volume, a lot of frizz, but we'll see how it comes together once it's styled.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus.
And because it's off center, I'm not gonna hook the 2 combs at the side yet. I'm gonna just position this. And because there's no anchor braid here, when I hook it, I'm not gonna let it just go where it naturally wants to go, or else it'll be all the way down like that. I'm just gonna keep it up forward here, and then close the hooks so that it stays put right here. So the other side, position her. All right, so the clip, there's a clip in the back here that I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna press it down because the feeling of that clip here does not do it for me, friend. As you guys can see, even though this says no leave out and all of that, you can see all of this, and that is not what you want. Like, bruh, you're seeing under the carpet. We don't want anyone seeing under the carpet. So you're going to definitely need your Got2b freeze spray, a rat tail comb, and of course a blow dryer. Just peel this piece of lace that laps over the clips, just peel it back and spray a good amount of Got2b right under it. Use your blow dryer and spray it until it gets tacky. That should only take a few seconds. Use the rat tail part of your comb, slip it under the weft, like right at the edge, and hold it down. Same thing. You don't want to overdo it and make it too dry. Slip your rat tail in there. Alright, so now that we have basically sealed our part, the next step is to break the cast of the spray from on the hair and add some moisture back to your part so it's not looking white and crusty, like, ew. You can use whatever oil you want, but I'm just going to use my Max Growth Hair Elixir from my brand. I love this oil. This is the only oil I use in my hair, really, because this is amazing for hair growth, moisture, and it helps to keep your scalp clean and healthy. So, I mean, why not? So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and I'm going to just touch the part and like pat it in, because you don't want to like rub it to like rouse things up too much.
Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls.
And now for the cast, just put some on your finger. Don't like pour it in your palm and rub it, or else the hair will be greasy. So I'm just gonna put it like slightly just around the areas that got some of that spray. Literally just the area around the part. And then I'm gonna just take my comb and just glide it across that area to break the cast so the hair is nice and flowy again in the area. And there you have your V-part wig. Absolutely no leave out necessary. The second question I had when getting this wig is, how does it hold a curl? And it does have a natural kind of wave to it after it's been washed, but you know, we want something a little bit more. Girls go holler, now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. Stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this face, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad. Aside from my horrible curling job, you can see, like the ones that I did well, it does have a curl. I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable. This wig is definitely not a wig that you put up in a ponytail. The perimeter of it is not flawless, like it's a dead giveaway. Maybe if you left some of your edges out, it would be a great sewing alternative. But it holds a curl and it looks good. It's a quick, easy, protective style. Throw your wig on, spray some got to be right here. Make sure your thing is nice and flat against your scalp and not looking crazy, and you're good to go. So far my opinion on this hair, it's a cool wig. It's a nice, quick, easy get up and go, do that thing real quick. The only cons I will say about this is the clip in the back. For me, that's really unnecessary and painful, like really. And you need to have tiny braids if you want these clips to really close, because the one here doesn't even close completely because the braid is a little bit thick right here, and it's not even that thick. Those braids are tiny. Aside from that, density does look a bit sketch when you take it out of the pack, but as you wash it, it gets volume again, and like this density is perfect for me. It looks very natural. You might want more density depending on the look you're going for, but to me this is good for the length and everything. It's good. It's definitely giving scalp from a distance. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to really make a V-part wig, no leave out, actually a no leave out wig. Make sure you guys are tuning into my heat damage series. I'll be exploring a whole bunch of products that claim to reverse heat damage to see how they work on my hair. Last week I tried on Jackie's. The next thing I'm going to be trying is beer. I tried it. If you want to see how the results were, you need to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when that video is uploaded. Until next time, guys.